Welcome back. In the last several blogs, we've explored topics to ensure that you build a workshop agenda that delivers the desired output and ensures that all ideas are considered and only the best are chosen. In this blog, I want to share a more subtle topic, and that's how can you build a workshop that maintains an appropriate level of energy throughout. To do that, I want to share the story of tension and release. My piano instructor, when I asked him, what's the secret to a great set of music, answered this way. And I said, John, what are you talking about? And he said, Michael, it's simple. It's tension and release. Tension and release. Up-tempo tunes, slower tunes. Quick, not so quick. He said, if you do that, you'll create a set of music that really holds interest. So how can we take that concept and apply it to workshop facilitation? There are really two ways to do that. The first is to be intentional about your engagement strategies. I want you to design a mix of engagement strategies, ranging from full team discussions, to small team breakouts, to team pairing, to individual reflection. And you'll have that same mix just like in a set of music. Review your session design with this perspective and ask yourself, have I created enough variety to keep it fresh from the participants' perspectives? The second thing I'd like you to think about is the timing of your events. Mid-morning, right after lunch, and mid-afternoon are often really low energy times for any group of people. So during those times of a day, engineer higher energy engagement strategies into your session, things that involve movement and team discussion. If you'll do that, you'll be amazed at how much energy you and your participants will have through the entire arc of that workshop. So in summary, with this and our prior two videos, we've talked about how do you design a workshop agenda? How do you ensure that you can diverge and then converge to get the right information? And how do you use this concept of tension and release to ensure that you've got the appropriate amount of energy throughout the session? Incorporate these three concepts into your workshop design, and I can guarantee you, you'll create workshops that are as impactful as they can possibly be. Thank you.